plants. No plants at all.
You're talking so peculiar, Senor.
I'll explain everything to you tomorrow, okay? Just go home and get some sleep.
I can't leave you in this condition.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about anything. Ah. Ah.
Feed me!
I will not, so stop asking.
Feed me!
Under no circumstances.
Feed me!
Listen, I'll run down to the corner and pick you up a pound of rare roast beef. Maybe that'll hold you till Light Magazine gets here.
No way.
That's my last offer. Yes or no?
It's better than nothing.
Done. Fine. Great. Don't think you're getting any dessert.
I couldn't sleep. I took a Solodex, but voices in my head kept saying, "Go to Seymour, talk to Seymour." I drank some tea, but you that feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on? Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Somebody there?
Looking mighty sweet.
Seymour! Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Audrey, this plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and get me a drink.
I thought I should.
If it'll make you
Just
cry,
want water, right?
rock the
My branches are dry.
Yes,
Yes, I can.
don't need no friends to lie. And now it's supper time.
Audrey! No! Get over! Get over! Are you alright?
Yes. No.
Don't die, Audrey. Please, please don't die.
No. The plant said the strangest thing just now. It said that Orrin and Mr. Mushnick were already inside.
It's true. I fed them to it.
And that's why made it so big and strong. And you so famous.
I've done terrible things, Audrey, but not to you. Never to you.
I won't teach you, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so that it can live and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
I don't know what you're talking about.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give to you. I live in the plant. And I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You wash my tender leaves. You smell my sweet perfume. You water